Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today we're going to be reviewing a clay mask. I'm so excited. I have been waiting to get my hands on this. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, so my face is nice and clean. I love using this cleanser. It just really gets my skin nice and clean, not squeaky clean. I still feel hydrated. I don't feel like my skin is stripped. So we're gonna go with the next step, and that is using the steamer. Today we have the Kinga steamer. I've been using this forever. I already added my water, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it on to get her going. The steam coming out. You can hear her warming up and see a little bit of that steam coming out. I haven't used my steamer in a long time, I'm gonna be honest, but this is such a treat for me right now. So a steamer basically helps soften the skin, prep the skin, get your skin ready for the next steps in your routine, allows your products to penetrate better into the skin. So if you're looking to get one, please get one. You will not regret it. It's a nice at-home spa for yourself. I love this thing. We're done using the steamer. My face is ready and prepped for the next step, which leads us into the Tula Placation Toning Face Mask Stick. Why do people want to mow their grass right now? Like, I just don't understand. Hopefully I can put a little bit of music and you guys can't hear it. That is so annoying. As soon as I get ready to film, I don't know if this is gonna be a voiceover now, but okay. We're gonna go in with the Tula Skincare Claycation Toning Face Mask Stick. This is something I've been wanting to try. I did look up another mask stick. I think it was with the Korean brand, but I decided to go with this one. It looks very promising. It says a date with detoxed skin. This deeply detoxing and toning mask stick glides on smoothly with Mediterranean clay to draw out dirt and excess oil, plus apple cider vinegar and witch hazel to tone and tighten the look of pores. It smells really good. Apply to damp or dry skin. Avoid contact with eyes. After 8 to 10 minutes, rinse with warm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. First of all, I just want to say how excited I am about using this because it's in stick form. I'm normally used to using a mask I have to use a face brush with or whatever. Not that it's a big deal, but this just seems so convenient and vacation friendly and all the things. So a little twisty knob at the bottom where you can twist it up. I don't want to do it too much. But while we're talking about it, you guys, let's go ahead and apply it. Like I said, I'm really excited about trying this because it just seems very promising. The reviews seem really good. And I don't have my laptop in here to read the reviews to you guys today. So I am sorry about that. But this, oh, I love this. Oh yeah, I definitely can see this being promising in my skincare routine for sure. Just by the application alone, this is pretty freaking cool. I like this. It smells like something that's familiar and I don't know what it is, but it does smell good. Well, as you can see, it's gliding onto the skin very easily. Oh, I'm really excited about continuing to use this already. So, only thing is, I don't know how much you get out of this. You know, is it here? Is it a full stick? I don't really know. I don't want to test it and try to twist it all the way up because I don't want to do that. But I hope you get a good bit of the product considering this cost about over 30 bucks. So I hope that I'm getting a good amount that I would get, you know, in a jar in stick form. But this is so cool. Wow. Bring it down to the bridge of our nose. So you might have to, trying to get into the crevices of my nose without using my hand, because the point of this is just using it with the, like as you use a stick. I'm gonna fix it right here because it's driving me nuts. And then I'm going to just fix it to where it gets around the crevices of my nose. I mean, I can't really expect it to do that because it's fat, so I can't expect that to contour around my nose. But this is so cool already. Wow, I love this. Can't stop doing it. Okay, stop. Okay, so while I have it on right now, it feels so good. It's not getting tight or anything. I want to know, is this going to get tight on my face like a regular mask? Super 6, it says proprietary blend of probiotics and prebiotics to help improve the skin's smoothness, maintain the skin's balance. Mediterranean clay detoxes and draws out excess oil, dirt, debris, and buildup. Apple cider vinegar and witch hazel help tone and tighten the look of pores. Willow bark helps loosen and clog dirt and debris. So these are the probiotics and superfoods that are in here to help do what it needs to do, get your skin looking good and create that magic. But you guys, this is so cool. I've never used a mask stick before, ever. So when I saw this, I was like, I have to try it. I do like Tula skincare anyway, so I wanted to give this a try. You get 1.23 ounces, so this is of course travel friendly. That's what I'm excited about. I wanna make sure when I get ready to travel or do things, can I take skincare products that I love or that I feel like I will need on vacation without having to transfer them over and do all the things. And I love the fact that this is travel friendly. I like to detox my skin once a week just because I feel like I want to get my skin back in check, especially if it's been a long week, if I've been wearing makeup, things like that. I just want to reset my skin. Normally I do that on Sundays and I've pretty much always stuck to Sundays. So pick a day out of the week where you feel like you need to refresh your skin, whether it's Sunday, whether it's midweek or Friday or something like that at the end of the week, just to refresh your skin, get it back in check. You know, remind your skin that you love her. Remind your skin that you want to take care of her. You want to give her all the things she needs to prosper. If we're not taking care of our skin and doing the proper things we need to, which does not have to be 1 million steps, you guys, but if we're not taking care of our skin and doing what we need to do, our skin is not going to give us the results. How you treat your skin is how your skin will react. If you treat your skin good, your skin will treat you good back, I promise. Okay, so how are we feeling now with this mask on? I don't know how many minutes it has been, but it feels good. It's not getting hard. It's not feeling like it's tight. I don't feel like anything is even on my skin. It feels like, normally if I have a clay mask on by now, it would have already gotten hard. Dry it down is more of what I want to say. It would have already dried down to where you can see the different changing color in the mask. You can see where your pores are larger in the mask. And I'm not seeing that. Let me get the mirror. I'm not seeing that with this. It just basically looks like when I put it on, I feel like there's like no change in effect. With this, I feel like the mask looks exactly the same as when I applied it. Like I can't tell a difference at all. So I'm very interested to see how this mask works. Let's give it a few minutes. It says 8 to 10 minutes. So let's give it a few minutes and see if there's any change in the mask visibly and if I feel any change in the mask physically. So it says this mask is best for oily skin. So if you are an oily skin girl like me, you may want to try to get your hands on this. This is good for acne prone skin, for blemishes as well. And of course, good for your pores because this is meant to tighten your pores. I am curious to know how this is gonna work on my active acne. And I say that I don't have any active acne right now. I say that because when I have active acne, I like to use a particular mask, and I showed you guys that mask in my last video, because I know it's going to literally tighten around the area the active acne is happening. It really just dries it down and gets out whatever it needs to get out to allow the area that's infected to actually come to a whitehead so that I can further treat it. So that is why when I have active acne, I use a mask like that. And it's obviously has to do with the ingredients in the mask that allow it to harden around the area. You feel like, okay, it's really attacking the area that I am trying to treat, especially around here. If you are like me and you get hormonal acne, cystic acne, you know you want something to calm it down. So I do want to see how this is going to be with active acne. When I have active acne, I don't like to have active acne. However, I know I'm going to get it again. So when I do have active acne, I'm going to use this just to see how it does and how it treats that as well. But let's go ahead and rinse this off. It's been well over 10 minutes and I wanted to make sure that I gave this a full air time to do whatever it needs to do. It feels the same. It doesn't feel like I have anything on my skin. Now, when I use a regular mask, and I said regular meaning the norm that I go to that has kaolin clay and things like that, it's already tight at this point. It's time to rinse off. It's cracked and peeled and I'm kind of like, okay, I'm ready to get this off. I can move my face around and feel that it's on there and it starts cracking and things like that. This is not doing anything. It doesn't feel like I even have anything on my skin. I'm just sitting on the couch a few minutes ago. I'm like, oh my God, I have to go rinse this off. I forgot it was even there. So it doesn't feel like anything. It's massage a moisturizer, like a thick moisturizer on, and then left it there and it dried down. Because that's exactly what it feels like. Let's go ahead and rinse this off and then we can talk about how my skin is feeling after this is all rinsed off. Let me show you guys before I move on. I want to show you how it's rinsing. This is how it's rinsing. That. Almost like a cleanser as you're rinsing it off. And there are no hard pieces when I use, like I said, the mask that I use. There's where it's hardened the most, there's hard pieces, so it's hard for me to rinse it as easy as this is going. Like I would have to really like maneuver, get like a damp face cloth, like a paper towel, and kind of like get the area. But this is like rinsing really good. One more time as I'm rinsing, you guys. So I'm used to, when I'm using the mask that I use, a tightening pore mask. Normally it's stuck, like the mask is normally stuck on my face. Like I'm trying to maneuver, like up here, this is not stuck at all. I can just, but normally that mask kind of sticks a little bit more to the skin. And this one is just rinsing so nicely. So I'm gonna show you guys that as well. Okay, our mask is rinsed, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and go in with the rest of the skincare routine. I need a little bit of moisturizer on my lips. But I want to go over how my skin actually feels. And my face feels fine. It feels good. It doesn't feel irritated. It's not red. It doesn't feel like it's been distressed or anything like that. It's not as drying. My skin doesn't feel as dry. Normally when I rinse off a clay mask or the particular ones that I use, my skin does feel a little dry. This does not have my skin really feeling dry. It looks dry because obviously I just rinsed the mask off, but it doesn't feel dry. This application is crazy. Just twisting it, I'm gonna show you guys. I don't want to twist it all the way because I'm scared. I don't know how much product you get in here. If I break it, I would be so upset. I am back, you guys. I have on my moisturizer and my skin feels really good. Like I said, it's not dry, obviously, because it's moisturized now, but it wasn't like a drying feeling where I felt like I need to hurry and put something on my skin, it's about to crack, nothing like that. Like I said, this is very, very gentle to the skin, so I did definitely notice that right off the bat, and I do like that. Other than that, my skin feels really good. I don't have anything bad to say about this, honestly. I mean, I really recommend that you guys give it a try and see if you like it. That is going to complete this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was helpful in this video. If I was, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss any uploads. And until the next video, cheers to happy and healthy skin. Bye. Okay guys, so it has been about an hour since I rinsed that claycation mask off, and I had to come on and tell you guys really quick, just a quick update of how my skin feels. It feels so good. I could not keep this to myself and I couldn't wait to update you guys. It feels as if I exfoliated or dermaplaning. If you guys shave your face or exfoliate, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That nice, fresh, renewed skin. That is how my skin feels. It feels so good. That steamer plus the detox mask together. It just feels so good. And I couldn't wait to share you guys. I'm sitting here editing. I'm like, I have to share with them now. It just feels really good. It feels renewed, refreshed. And this is the perfect way to detox your skin. If you're looking for a mask that's gonna give you that nice refreshed skin and not feel stripped and irritated, this is the one you wanna try. Let me know if you guys try it. Just a quick update. Okay, bye.